Welcome to another introductory video for Connectable biz. This video will highlight the features designed to help the administrators of a networking organization. The first thing I want to show you is the dashboard. This is what everybody sees when they first log in. You can think of it as a living, breathing newsletter as it changes during the week as members enter the information. It is comprised of various tiles, and the content of each tile came from the newsletters that administrators were creating during the week. So you can see that there are events, general lead feed, there's testimonials, who did business with who, a thank you feed, a notice board, this is where non-lead information is entered, any open classifications, and general announcements from the administrator can be put in this section here. Each of these tiles can be hidden or reordered. That way you can customize what your members see and you can design this to make it work best for your group. Across the top you can see the three main buttons. This is where the members go to enter their leads. And the next row of tiles are the metrics, member metrics. So it looks at what the attendance is and the different interactions and participation that the members done during the week. So these are probably the most often hidden, as not all groups will measure the members' performance. So if you wanted to change the dashboard, you would simply go to Dashboard Settings. Each of these gray blocks represents one of the tiles, and if you want to put your announcements at the top, for example, you just click it, drag it, and drop it, and it will show at the top. If you don't want to show open classifications, you can simply unclick it and it will no longer be on the dashboard. So you can really customize this for your organization. The next thing I want to show you is the events calendar. The events calendar is under the control of the administrator. Members cannot add events, but the administrator would simply click this button to add various events during the month or weeks. So you can show your weekly recurring meetings, you can put in board meetings, you can also do social events, and members' birth dates will also show if it's entered in their profile. And I do want to highlight back on the dashboard, so whatever events were entered will show up on this tile, and it includes things like speakers and greeters. So the members know exactly when their profile is coming up and if they are expected to be greeting. The next thing is the attendance. So it is very simple. You simply select the meeting that you're at. So we'll say February 18th. Here's all the members. Simply click Update All to Yes. Everyone is now showing as attended. And if there's a couple that aren't there, you just can go back and simply change those to No. And your attendance is done. And you can print out attendance data at any point in the report section, which is what we're going to look at now. So here's the reporting tool. So you can look at leads, what members have given what number of leads. This is a test association, so there's not very many members and there's not very much activity, so there's not a lot to show here. You can look at your guests. You can see how many guests you had, how many converted to paying members. You can look at your membership. How many members do you have? What's the attrition? And you can look at a member performance report, which will show attendance and how much participation and how many leads they've given. So there is no data in this test association, so I can't show you those reports, but they are available, and you can also select any date range at any time and print that information. So that is the high-level overview from the administrator's viewpoint. Check out the members' introductory videos as well, and if there are any questions, please contact me at sandy@connectable.biz.